Hey y'all, it's your girl Sarah Loretta, aka your favorite badass CEO here on YouTube, and today you are finally getting what you've been asking for, a Notion Workspace tour. So come on into my office, let me get my computer set up, and I'll show you around. This is where it all goes down, where I spend most of my time creating all of that client magic and managing other internal projects. You'll notice as we get deeper into this that I don't do client portals anymore because we keep this workspace pretty low key, but more on that later. So we use team spaces to silo everything in the business. Our HQ hub holds all of those tricky things like meeting notes, goal trackers, tasks, CRM data, etc. Then we've got our biz ops, but that's top secret to you. Our marketing team space is where we develop all of our content, plan out partnerships, the flashy stuff, you know? And then our clients team space. So this is new this year, and since we're only offering VIP projects now, I no longer have a need for custom client portals. Everything is filtered through the same page based on their project, and then get private access to my resource wiki. So let me show you into our experience guide. So this one single document I use to help people basically decide if they want to work with us. So inside you'll notice that there's details about timelines, pricing, everything that you need to know in order to make a decision when hiring systems. And then inside our Workspace in a Week, this is an example page of one of our VIP offers. So Workspace in a Week is pretty straightforward. You get your entire business system built out on either Notion or Slite. And so because we don't do custom client portals anymore, everybody goes through the exact same onboarding process. So once you've signed on to working with us, this page includes everything you need to complete for onboarding. You're able to review and sign our contract and get access to any other information that you need for this project to be successful. I follow this process for both of our offers, whether it's a systems reset day or Workspace in a Week. Everybody goes through the exact same thing. And honestly, because we do VIP quick turnaround offers, there's really no need for me to do custom client portals any longer. Bye-bye. And then lastly, we have our projects team space. I keep our big ideas in there for our systems universe, as well as anything I create for our partnerships, like my recent masterclass with Boss Babe. Now let's talk style. We're pretty low-key when it comes to our Notion aesthetic, because I never want my team to feel like they can't get work done because a dashboard or a page is over-designed. So we stick to the basics with branded cover images, icons, and colors. All right, let's talk features. We live for Notion databases. Kanban and calendars are our go-to views. And most of y'all know we don't use Slack or anything else to communicate as a team, and using databases, I've been able to build team mailboxes for us to drop notes, ask questions, and this has been the key to us working remotely and async. And of course, we have to talk about call-out blocks because I am a sucker for a good outline. The way that it can group information together easily just is a touch to our workspace. And lastly, since y'all already got a sneak peek of our workspace, let me show you where I believe the true magic lies, and that's within our systems template gallery. All of our clients and Systems OS members get unlimited access to this database to duplicate any template that they need to run their business. We use the gallery view to highlight groups of templates and give a little sneak preview before duplicating. And I'm pretty sure we have close to 40 templates in this vault right now. Let me know down below what your favorite part of our workspace was, any questions that you have, and that's it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, but I've got some projects I need to get back to, which unfortunately means you've got to go. Before you do though, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on the internet.